Working with thermodynamics or engineering analysis and dealing with EES files? These are equation solver files for engineering calculations. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll guide you through opening these engineering equation solver files. Quick check. Before proceeding, know that a universal viewer can often read the data within the EES archive, even if it can't fully extract it. Users encounter EES files when working with the engineering equation solver software. They are searching for how to open these files to view, edit, or run the thermodynamic and heat transfer equations and models contained within, often for academic or professional engineering projects. The EES format is a proprietary binary file designed to efficiently store a complex set of algebraic equations, variables, functions, and lookup tables. This structure protects the intellectual property of the models and ensures rapid loading and calculation within the EES environment, prioritizing performance over cross-platform readability. The best utility for a reliable viewing of EES is known to be Engineering Equation Solver, EES, by F-Chart software. Document fidelity is only assured when opened with a dedicated program adhering to the standard. Windows supports minimal insight into data files, so proper viewing depends on the target application. Begin the search for the specific application handler. Right-click the EES file and choose Open With. Use Engineering Equation Solver, EES, first. If it's absent, select another program. This test sequence is essential. If you still cannot open your EES file, that is okay. Alright, the simple solution is out. We need to isolate the issue with the EES file. Move on to these essential troubleshooting measures right away. First, opening an EES. Launch Engineering Equation Solver and Use File. Then, open to load the EES file. The application displays equations variables and solution results in the integrated calculation environment. Run the solver through Calculate menu options to evaluate equations and generate parametric tables or property plots for engineering analysis presentation. Next, examining as text. Open the EES file in Notepad++ or Visual Studio Code since the format uses readable text. Inspect equation definitions and variable assignments directly. This text examination supports documentation, peer review, and migration of calculations to alternative engineering software like MathCAD, MATLAB, or Python with NumPy and SciPy libraries. Finally, reading property tables. EES integrates with extensive thermodynamic property tables for water, steam, refrigerants, and other working fluids. Verify property table availability. Matches the EES file requirements through Function Information menu. Missing property tables prevent proper calculation, requiring software updates, or property data file installation from F-Chart software resources. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. One helpful next step is to try a utility that attempts to bypass standard file associations by using raw-level data inspection to better identify the file's likely origin. When even advanced utilities can't handle the file, the architecture requires a universal reader. FileMagick is the only tool I trust for this level of format variety. Download it at filemagick.com. If this tutorial saved you time and frustration, please hit the like button and subscribe for more fixes.